Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled, Here's Why You Shouldn't Punch Your School Resource Officer by the Bloody Bunny.
Just stop. Don't touch me. Hey, Bam. Stop. Touch me if you want to. Touch me if you want to. You don't touch me if you want to. Stop.
Get down on the ground. Get down on the ground.
No.
On November 1st, 2023, a college officer responded to a disturbance on campus
Black fatigue strikes right now.
where the suspect refused to leave a classroom and wanted to argue with the professor and staff instead.
Now, I'm going to start that over. 3, 2, 1.
Just stop. Don't touch me. Hey, Bam. Stop. Touch me if you want to. Touch me if you want to. You don't touch me if you want to. Stop.
Get down on the ground. Get down on the ground.
No.
On November 1st, 2023, a college officer responded to a disturbance on campus where the suspect refused to leave a classroom and wanted to argue with the professor and staff instead.
That's how they feel. That's their entitlement.
I'm not.
That's their entitlement.
I am
sir.
asking you,
Sir,
what is the problem?
you don't understand me. You're an outsider. So that's how they feel.
How am I an outsider? I work here.
Right. But you don't understand me on that type of level, sir. Leave me alone. You don't understand me, right?
No, listen to me.
No, listen to me. You don't understand me, right?
I'm
right or
trying
wrong?
to find out what is going on.
Exactly. I'm trying to get you to understand from a different perspective because
She's saying a whole lot of nothing right now.
you don't understand.
No,
me.
you. The minute I walked in and I tried to talk to you.
Because I was upset, sir. I'm trying to do right. No, I don't. No, not doing it.
Is she a student here, Sensei?
She's a student in this class. We're just trying to get her out of the building because she's disrupting the other class.
And
Oh.
No,
Do you
that's
have
your
ID?
entitlement, right? I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to her. That's your
Do
entitlement,
you
right?
have an ID?
That's your entitlement, right?
Do you have
That's
your
your
ID?
entitlement, right? Okay, yes, ma'am. That's your entitlement. So you're able to feel however you feel, ma'am, because that's what how it came to you. But it might not come to me that way. I might not agree with you, but it might make you feel less of a person because I don't agree with you, ma'am. Exactly, but that's you, but that's not everybody else. So you want me to leave because you feel like I'm distracted in the class, but when I was trying to be calm, trying to explain stuff, y'all all made judgment of me. Y'all didn't get that. It wasn't you. It's them. I'm pertaining to them.
Let's get to the bottom
I'm
of this.
pertaining to them.
She got pajama pants on with no shoes. This is not finna end well.
What is your name?
Because I'm pertaining to them and they don't understand me, I kept trying to show them that it's about the title, but because it might not mean that to you, don't mean it to me.
Okay. Let's move
So,
forward. I need.
I'm
what is
not
your-
talking to you.
What?
You can get my
I'm
name
talking
through
to
him.
you
I'm
right
not
now.
talking to you though. So like I was saying, ma'am,
Are you her friend? I saw you talking to her downstairs.
I'm her friend.
What is the problem?
She did not want to answer that question. She's like, I don't know this bitch.
She's been touched on, and she just got kicked out of her grandmother's house because they wouldn't let her believe what she was saying.
So what does that have to do with this?
That's what we were just telling Mr. Noah. It's just too much depression and all that. She just got kicked out, like literally just.
How old is she?
I think she like what, 18, 19? She like 19,
Okay.
20.
Do you know her name?
How do you feel? I don't know. Yeah, he might know it.
Santoria Smith.
Centauria Smith. Listen to me,
nobody, ma'am.
Miss Smith.
I was taking.
I'm sorry that happened to her, if that really did, because nobody should have to go through that. And it definitely can trigger some that you have no control over.
So I feel a certain way about certain things that you might not think of because you don't know me.
Okay.
So because you don't
Right
know
now?
me, because you don't know me, you
Just as a
make
start.
judgment based on how
What the fuck they said? Gestures what?
things that you might not think of because you don't know me.
Okay.
So because you don't
Right
know
now?
me, because you don't know me,
Gestures to stop the officer.
you make judgment.
How was that in her
based on
hand?
How you feel? You're entitled to feel how you want to feel, but don't make me feel less of a person because you feel some type of way.
Okay.
That's how mama made me feel. So you triggered me, but I try to still explain. But because of the whole class want to make it about them instead of trying to look at it in a different perspective because of the generational curse. But
Miss Smith, can you
but
get your
you,
things?
like make it about you and you violate or you make me feel something that you might not know.
I ain't gonna lie, if I was staff, I would be super fucking annoyed. Like, you know what I'm saying? You got your problems. That's okay. But everybody got problems, baby.
Is this her stuff, you think? Miss Smith, is this your stuff?
You're trying to get to know me in the wrong way. If you want to get to know me or you want to know me on a certain level, I feel you telling me. I want somebody to understand me. I want to open up. And
I
get-
know you're trying to ignore me. Miss Smith, I am telling you.
Sir, I don't want to talk to you because when I just try to
doesn't
talk to you,
matter.
it does. But
Yes,
because
it does.
don't matter
You're
to
not
you.
in charge
okay,
here.
I don't care.
You're not in
You're
charge
entitled to
here.
feel that.
Do you
When
know?
you don't understand what went on, but because I tried to explain myself and you don't want to hear what I have
No,
to
no,
say.
you've already said you.
already out here.
Huh?
Her things are out.
But because you just
Okay.
came in, you don't understand me, sir.
So I'm trying to talk to you. What
But
is the problem?
But if you would have allowed me to explain it to
Explain
you,
it to me now.
Well, can we
but
go
when I tried to do that, you just
outside?
No, you.
I can, Mel.
Okay,
I
you
don't
need to leave
care.
the building.
See,
you need to
want
leave the
to
building.
understand me, but
You're
wanna
not
just
giving me many options.
Is she on something? Like what the? Cause she keep repeating herself over and over again. Usually when somebody keeps repeating herself over again, they intoxicated in some type of capacity, either alcohol or other substances. But she hasn't said shit or made sense this entire interaction.
But you
You're
feel that
not
way. That's
giv-
what you're entitled to. Don't put your hands on me. I'm not putting my hands on
I'm
you.
telling you.
You can feel that way.
I mean, but
don't put your
they
hands on me, sir, 'cause you feel that way because you feel a certain way.
There's certain options.
Because you feel a certain way, you're entitled to feel. Because do not touch me. I'm not putting my hands on you. Do not be disrespectful. Do not put. Yeah. Because I was taking that with you really like I don't. Because you don't know me.
They trying to save you, stupid, and you just want to take it there.
Take it there. Because take it there. Because you just put your hands on me. So I understand it. So I put my hands on you. If I put my hands on you because you have that.
Your ass going to jail if you do that.
You feel like it's right. You don't know me. And that's why I don't want to talk to you. No, it's not having no seat. You just put your hands on me. I didn't put my hands on you. I'm trying to talk to you. So because you don't understand me, sir, you just making it about you.
Do not touch me.
Do not touch me. You just touched me. It was okay for you to put your hands on me, right?
I'm asking.
Shut up.
I'm
I'm
no,
leaving, sir.
No, you're not. It's
I'm
beyond
leaving,
that
sir.
now. You've already touched me.
But you
I
put
am
your hands on me
adult.
first.
I
You
am
put your hands on me first. It's okay for you to put your hands on me. It's okay for you to put your hands on me, but
Can I
it's
tell you
disrespectful to put my hands on you. That's entitlement.
I need you.
I'm trying to.
I need you to sit down and calm down.
Sir, I can't.
need you
I'm
to-
gonna just leave.
Okay.
You don't have to deal with me no more.
I've already
I'm finna-
asked you that, and you didn't want to do that.
He done asked you to leave for about 5 minutes. Look, it say 5:37. He been asking you for 5 minutes and 37 seconds to leave. Yo, I want to go to jail. Some people like going to jail.
Explain. Yes or no?
Okay.
Yes or no?
What is the problem?
I don't feel like I can talk to you, sir. You don't understand me.
Okay.
So I don't
You've
feel.
already listened to me. Can you
Sir,
calm down?
let me apologize
Can you
for
calm
my.
down?
Let me take initiative for what I do wrong.
Okay.
And apologize, but after that, I'm gonna leave it alone. You're gonna let me go, okay?
No, it doesn't work that way.
You are not in charge. Who the fuck does she think she is?
Because you feel that way, that's how you feel. You're entitled to feel how you want to feel, but you're invalidating how I feel. You making how you feel.
She give Tylenol a fucking headache. Look, this lady about to go bald.
Just let us walk out.
I just told you that he just said he was gonna tase me. He's not letting me leave because he don't understand me. And this is why he put his hands on me first. Did I take it that far? No. You don't understand me, sir. I don't feel like talking to you is helping me. I'm gonna just go.
Do you have?
You see, I'm walking away from the situation because you're not understanding me, and I'm trying to not be disrespectful, but
Miss
you
Smith?
just, sir, shut up! Don't talk to me, y'all. Bro,
Miss Smith,
Sit down for a second.
Miss
Sit down.
Smith, you are not in charge here.
and you because you have a bachelor attached, you are you more than.
Duh. That's what the fuck that means. He has a badge on. He went to school for this. He went to the academy for a year, 6 months, however long they do this shit now. He's definitely in charge.
No, so you mean to tell me just no, it's not about you right now. No, I try to calm down and try to no, you made it about you because you don't understand me. You didn't mean to. It's not you. Okay.
Look at the moment.
After striking the officer and causing a scene, the suspect gets involved in yet another disturbance.
Another one.
No, stop.
No.
Free, stop. Just stop. Just stop.
Don't touch me.
Oh,
Hey, Bam.
that's her second time putting her hands on him. She's cooks. A1 sauce. Stick a fork in her.
Touch me if you want to. You don't touch me if you want to. Touch me if you want to. You just put your hands on me, sir.
Get down on the ground. Get down on the ground.
No.
Get down on the ground.
I don't feel like
I'm not going to ask you again.
I don't care.
Get down in one.
I don't feel like.
One. Taser. Get down on the ground.
That shit stung like a motherfucker.
Get down. Get down
She tried to run.
on the ground. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
I bet that shit felt like a heart attack. You ain't got nothing to say now?
231,
Real quiet.
1038. Disruptive student on campus as soon as possible. 1038.
Look, she hey, that taser gonna make you get some get right real fast every fucking time. You hear me? Every time.
That's good for the crazy bitch.
Ooh. That was so weak of you to say. If this child is suffering from mental health issues, that was some weak ass shit. Cause you wouldn't have said that if she was still riding. You wouldn't have said nothing. That is so weak. I hate when people do dumb shit like that. Like, say it when that person active.
Can I get up, sir?
Hell no.
Stay down. Heavy and miss.
Oh, now we want to cry.
Paper deployed.
Now get up, please.
Guys, I need you guys over there, please.
Okay.
They just being messy.
No.
They finna tell the whole college.
Second floor of DB 208, 209.
I hope you know you can lose your job, because I just want you to understand from a different perspective. But because you got that bad in your chest, you don't understand me. Ha ha! You're mad, and you're gonna lose your job today. And he's not gonna go to the people and tell them how I really felt. And when you were there, that's wrong.
You couldn't even tell him how you feel. So how the fuck you gonna tell somebody else how you feel?
You have that bad, you feel like you're right.
All that talking and they ain't said shit. Nothing. Nathaniel.
Come on in. Yeah. Just have a seat right here for me, okay? What happened?
She just kept explaining the same story over and over.
Oh, Jesus.
She
Okay.
kept saying, y'all don't understand my opinion. What's your opinion? What's your opinion? Just the whole time.
As the officer gathered more details
Drugs.
from her classmates, another officer proceeded to ask her questions.
Are you a student out here?
Yes and no.
What?
But
You at a school that you ain't even. Nah, hell nah. I know you lying.
no, I wouldn't consider myself to be a student because I'm
Like, are you a Santa Fe student?
No.
Right.
But
So why were you up in the classroom?
I'm through the program of the Career Center,
Career Center.
but
okay.
it's not really. I'm not a part of Santa Fe right as of now. I'm more so just a part of his.
Is your ID in here?
Yes.
Where's that? Where's your
The
ID?
back of my checkerboard van bag.
Yeah. Where? Back of
The
it?
bag right here.
Right here?
The small bag. No. The small bag right here.
This bag.
Yes.
Okay.
The back of it. You see that little my
Right
wallet?
here?
Right. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright.
My ID is in there.
What are your charges?
Well,
Disruption of school function.
disruption of school functioning.
He about to retire.
She pushed me,
Okay, BLEO. Okay.
and
According to Eastern, she's a student and selective.
So she's current.
She's current.
Right.
Got it.
All right. Can't trust Spencer. All right. She told me that she's not a student, but she's in the career
she's
career
career
placement.
But
career
if she's
source,
current, we have to
Right.
treat it just like
career source, some type of career.
She called me on the way over here. Said he wants her out of the building because of the XYZ. That's why I told you that.
No, Mom. Just genuinely.
It ain't no just chill, stupid. You just acted a plumb fool. What a school resource officer. Oh man, this man is about to retire.
Trying to get them to see my perspective, but because
What you doing when you say trying to get them to see? I'm not understanding.
I'm trying to.
Drugs.
You going to school and trying to get them to see your opinion.
Nobody give a fuck about your opinion. Just get there, go what you need, get what you need, learn, and get the fuck on. You ain't nobody care. These people got a job to do and then they just trying to go home. That's it.
You being arrested. I'm not understanding.
Mom, because you were making it about you. That's what they did earlier.
No, I'm not making it about me. I'm
Yes,
asking you
ma'am.
so you went to the professor and you explaining why you late and they arrest you?
No, Mom. He just genuinely didn't understand why I was because he didn't feel like feel like I needed to explain to him.
We're not gonna do that. Tell your mom you'll talk to her later.
Mom, I gotta get on the phone with the police. Mom, yes, but no.
right.
But the police want me to hang up the phone.
Yes, but no.
All right, stand up. Stand up.
Yes, ma'am.
Stand up.
They need to take her to the psych ward for sure.
Tell mom. Mom, you gotta get off the phone right now, okay?
That's a tablet.
Excuse me. I'm trying to see what she got arrested for. She said she ain't do
Can you explain to her?
Yes, ma'am. She's being arrested for disruption of school function. All right. A disruption of a school function. All right, and battery on a law enforcement officer. She put her hands on the police officer that was trying to detain her. All right.
But he put his hands on me first, sir.
All right.
I told him numerous times how I felt. I told him.
All right. Yes, ma'am. She'll call you from the jail.
It's too late to apologize. All you had to do was just leave, little baby. That's all you had to do.
Okay. Stand up.
Sir, listen.
Stand up.
Oh,
Stand up. All right.
Mama.
All right.
The officer then proceeded to escort her out, as she likely realized this wasn't going to end in her favor.
Where's your car?
That's got to be embarrassing. Now you got to do the walk of shame, and you got to walk past your classmates and shit.
You can't say anything. She yelling and screaming.
You want me to bring the car?
Yeah.
Do you see what I'm going through? Oh, like, it's just I'm trying to explain to Mama what's going on, but she's making it about her instead of trying to see my point of view.
You know you're having problems with your mom. Why are you trying to talk to her?
Because I want to change. I don't want this to be the reason why I don't have my mama. But because y'all don't understand me.
I don't think you understand yourself, honestly.
Because y'all don't understand me, and she don't understand me. She make it about her, but it don't be intentional. But because she's entitled to feel the way she want to feel. Because she's entitled to feel the way she want to feel. I try to like validate that. Like, can you move the car? Because I don't want to touch the leaves and stuff.
Well, I mean, we're gonna. Listen, these leaves aren't anything bad.
I don't mean to come off like wrong, but I won't.
Hey, real quick. All right. Did the police pat you down
No.
before they put the handcuffs? All right, turn around for me. All right. Make sure that.
Did anybody ever understand where she coming from or her point? Because I didn't. I'm not trying to be a-hole. I really not, but I'm trying to understand her point, her reasoning.
All right, go ahead and sit. All right, I'm gonna start the car for you. So the air is blowing. All right.
Can I get my jacket then, please?
I'm gonna get all your stuff and bring it back out
Because
here.
I'm anemic and I don't want.
I understand. It's not gonna stay here. It's gonna go with.
It's always the people that's really, really sick that gotta act really, really dumb. I don't. How, Sway?
18-year-old Santoria Nichelle Smith faces serious consequences, with a judge setting her bail at $10,000. But there's a catch. If she's accepted into mental health court, she could be released under supervision. It's also worth mentioning that this isn't her first run-in
W judge, cause shit, you need an evaluation.
with the law. Just a few months ago, she was arrested for kicking a female officer in the stomach and allegedly yelling, "I hope you had a baby in there, and I hope it died."
What the fuck?
If you found this video
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. Out. See you guys at the next premiere.